Hello, I'm Nick from Quit with Nick, and welcome to this opportunity. What you will see on this page has been about 6 years in the making. I've had it churning around in my mind for a while, and now it's here. It's the Quit with Nick Kit, the Quit Kit, I call it. Now, if you scroll down on this page, you will see how different and how comprehensive this program is. It's a digital program. You can download it and have it in your inbox in the next few minutes. And I'm sure you'll see how different it is to maybe things you've just listened to on YouTube or a hypnosis recording you paid $20 for, where you just expect to sit back, listen, and then your smoking problem is solved. For a small percentage of people, that can happen. But in the 15 odd years I've been a quit smoking expert and over 4,000 people that I've seen, I know that a more comprehensive program is what is needed. So if you scroll below, you will see what's included in this quit kit. There's a few things that's included, and when I go through this and as you scroll down and have a look, I'm sure you'll agree that this is probably the most comprehensive and thorough digital quit smoking lifestyle change program that you're likely to find online. So, firstly, preparation. It's crucial, absolutely crucial. This kit prepares you extremely well. There is a PDF version of the prep, or you can listen to the audio version. Most people choose the audio because it's easy. You can listen to it anywhere, anytime. To start getting your mindset in the right place it has to be able to make this life-changing goal. Mind hacks, tips, tricks, and it's also about preparing you for the session. And as you'll go through this program, I'm treating it as if you're coming to see me. You'll even hear it when you're coming to see me and your session with me. Just because you might be listening to me in an audio, I'm there with you, and I want you to treat it like that. So there's thorough preparation. Then there's the actual hypnosis session, which is a digital recording. Sit back, listen. I prepare you thoroughly on how to use it, how to approach it, how to listen. So this program will get you ready, get you to understand what hypnosis is, how it works, why it works. But once you've done the recording, then there's a bunch of lifestyle tools that are required to help you maintain the goal. Quitting is only part of the battle. The bigger challenge is remaining a non-smoker, and this kit has covered every single possible reason, scenario, excuse, emotion that you could ever come across that could get you unstuck. So that recording, by the way, you can listen to daily for 21 days, because they say it takes 21 days to break a habit. But then it's about all the support and all the things you get to help you maintain this goal. For instance, there is a heart-focused breathing technique, very powerful one. I explain it below. There's a 12-minute guided meditation recording. The heart breathing is a 5-minute MP3. Then there's a 12-minute meditation to help you stay centered, grounded, helps you deal with stress, anxiety, overwhelm. Then there are a bunch of PDFs. A PDF called 40 Ways to Relax Fast. 40 little tips and tricks and techniques you can do to help get relief fast in the moment. There's also a detox PDF. There are a bunch of tips and techniques that you can use for the first week or two once you quit to help your body detox and get back into balance. Help repair some of the damage that cigarettes might have caused over the years. There's also a PDF of 3 simple mindfulness techniques. Mindfulness is very powerful in this day and age, becoming more aware of how you operate and how you move through the world. These simple mindfulness techniques can be done very quickly and easily. There's also a pleasant things to do list. A lot of people find boredom a challenge. What am I going to do when I stop smoking? How am I going to fill all that time? There's a list of 300 things people have said they do to prevent boredom. Things they do to enjoy themselves. So boredom will never be an excuse for you to relapse. There's also a PDF, an ebook, a little ebook I've written called Meditation Tips for Beginners. You might be an experienced meditator. Maybe you've dabbled in it a bit. Maybe you've got some benefit from it, that this will help guide you through a simple practice, how to create a practice and stick to it. There's also an EFT technique, emotional freedom technique. It's a process of tapping in very specific points using Chinese medicine and the meridian lines to help with any negative emotion, high stress, anxiety, overwhelm. This technique really works. I encourage you to give it a go. Then there's also my Facebook support group, which you're welcome to join. I encourage you to join. I'm there, I'm active, I'm supporting people, sharing things. And there's also ongoing support. This isn't just a program and a kit. You buy, here you go, buy. There's ongoing email support. You've got my personal mobile number. I'm always here 24/7 to answer questions, help you get through certain hurdles. I've seen over 4,000 clients. I was a smoker. I've done this for 15 years. I've seen every scenario. I've heard everything. Ongoing support is crucial, not just something you buy, here you go, and see you later. But if that hasn't done it for you, here's the real kicker. A $200 voucher that you can use to come and see me. If you feel this kit hasn't quite done the trick for you and you really think you'd value from face-to-face help with me right here in this room in my office. I'm in Sydney, in the CBD on Sussex Street. The price of this kit has completely been covered by a $200 off voucher, which is also in this kit that you can redeem anytime. There is no expiry date on it. So it's pretty comprehensive. Down below here, you'll see all the details of the program. Have a read. And it's literally the cost of, work it out, the cost of the program and how many packets of cigarettes that is. It's kind of a no-brainer. But it's up to you. If you're committed and ready to do what it takes and you've got the right attitude and you're coachable, just open to a process, and if you stick to it, I know this will help you make the lifestyle change. So good luck on your journey, however you decide to do it. Nick from Quit with Nick. Take care.